Top 10 foods that can help reduce body heat. Number 1. Coconut water. This natural electrolyte-rich drink hydrates the body and helps cool it down, making it perfect for hot days. Number 2. Mint. Known for its refreshing properties, mint can be added to drinks or dishes to provide a cooling effect and aid digestion. Number 3. Watermelon. With its high water content, watermelon is not only hydrating but also packed with antioxidants that help regulate body temperature. Number 4. Cucumber. This crunchy vegetable is composed of about 95% water, making it an excellent choice for hydration and cooling the body. Number 5. Curd. A probiotic-rich food, curd helps maintain gut health and provides a cooling effect, especially when consumed plain or with fruit. Number 6. Lemon. Citrus fruits like lemon are great for detoxification and hydration, providing a refreshing taste that helps lower body heat. Number 7. Sugarcane juice. A natural energy booster, sugarcane juice is hydrating and packed with vitamins, making it a popular choice in hot weather. Number 8. Pineapple. Rich in water and bromelain, pineapple aids digestion and provides a refreshing taste that helps cool the body. Number 9. Radish. Rich in water and antioxidants, radishes helps lower body heat and have anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for overall health. Number 10. Buttermilk. This refreshing drink is rich in probiotics and helps replenish lost nutrients, making it ideal for cooling down in the summer.